How to set a rivet. You have two rivet setting tools. Piece Z with one end a concave end and piece Y with a concave dish. In your kit you have rivets with one long part and one short part. You will also need to source a hammer or a mallet and a chopping board. In your pack you have two scrap leather pieces with holes pre-punched. Take one, feed the long part through first of the rivet, and then attach the second piece of leather over the long part of the rivet. Take the short part of the rivet and snap it on top. And you will feel it snap or click. Now place the rivet into the dish of piece Y. It doesn't matter which side you place. Take piece Z and sit directly on top and hold firmly and strike down firmly with the mallet or hammer 6 or 7 times. And you should feel that your rivet is snug to the leather.